going to walk in 43 Fahrenheit.
52.
No, 43.
It costed 52.
No, it was 43.
Thank God I bought this coat and I didn't have that little thin one.
Yeah. At least you have winter coat, right? It's warm.
It's a fall coat. It's not a winter coat.
You're warm in this one.
Yeah, it's fine for me.
Walk in Oak Augusta. Sweatpants with the cold in them because my nose.
What are we going to have for dinner?
Yeah. Spaghetti.
Just had that last
So
night.
salad.
Yeah. I got Mary chicken, so we don't have to worry
So
about
we
her.
have salad. Tomorrow we have Chinese. So Friday we have salad too. Then what?
Saturday we cook something on home instead of going out to eat.
Yeah. We have meat.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
You're keeping your phone up for. We're not calling anybody.
I do the vlog.
Why do you do the vlog?
I don't know. I'm weird.
You're making a lot of money in there? That you're not telling me about?
From vlogs, not. From when most make unboxings of winter stuff like Ugg boots.
How many more pairs did you get? Those ones look new.
But they are old.
They're new, but they're old.
I think I bought them 2 years ago. Yeah, they were bought on sale 2 years ago. In spring. Time go fast,
Yes, it does.
right?
I hate getting up at 9:30.
It's too late.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're used to more time, right? For
Yep.
for yourself. But you have some at night.
I do win.
No, after 12.
Yeah, it's time to go to bed. Lie
And
down.
you go in at 2. I want something.
You have a tissue?
Somewhere. Small haul from dollar store. 2 packages of tissues, scented candle. Smell nice. This was from Walmart, big bag of honey and lemon cough drops. At Walmart I got Acidophilus probiotics because we didn't have a dollar store. Dollar store again, one scented candle. Smell nice. And then this thingy, which is pain really bad. It's strong because it has 11% of camphor and menthol Hershey. Turmeric at the dollar store. And the dollar store dollars. Cough drops, honey and lemon. And then Walmart also I got strawberries, but they are fresh. And I've got also at Walmart big pack of Reese's, 12 of them. So that's all. Chinese.
Pas de soleil,
Sloppy Joe.
Or Sloppy John.
Sloppy Joe is beef, mushrooms, pepper, and sauce from Sloppy Joe.
I don't know if I like this like this. Let's see how you do it.
Hello, this is another video about Aroma Diffuser. So I decided to get this one from Amazon. Came in this box and I took it out. It says this 3 easy steps that you can use. So I removed the cover. This is base. This is cover. This was in this. Come with instructions too. It also come with this big plastic cover like this. So I say to connect it with the adapter first, but not plug in. So I was filming, but I don't know if it filmed, so I fill it with water, and then I added 3 to 5, actually I added 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. It's pure because they say it has to be pure. So it's added. Now I cover it with this. I don't know if it would, like this. Like this. Cover. Here's another diffuser, but it's not with essential oil, and I want it with essential oils. So I plug it in. Let's see. Oh, now it's light. And when I press this, it will be mist. I hope, yeah. So mist is being created, as you can see. As you can see it coming out here. It's cool mist. Can be changed to different light. Let's see how it looks without the light. Cool. Even without this light, looks like this. When I press again, it's red, yellow, green, but in my mobile looks different. Blue, darker blue, violet, and white. And turn off. Which color to pick? Maybe blue. So yeah, it now smells nice with essential oils. To be exact, with eucalyptus one. diffuser also has mode that change light alone by itself. So now it's green, and it will change to now it's white. Now blue. Now it's still white. Maybe it's blue. And I think it has 2 modes, 3 hours and 6 hours. And I forgot to show you the container where you pour water looks like this. Okay, so that's my unboxing of this diffuser. I've got it on Amazon. Maybe it's in other places too. So hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to thumbs up, give like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.